Facial recognition, perhaps one of the biggest technological advances in recent years. But what happens when technology like this falls into the wrong hands? Along with many other technologies like high-performance computers, drones, and specialist software, facial recognition will soon fall into a category known as dual-use goods. That means while they all have legitimate civil uses, they could also be abused by military, repressive regimes, or even terrorists. The export of European dual-use goods outside the EU is strictly controlled, and Parliament is voting on rules for the 21st century.
I think this is a huge success for the human rights. We managed with this regulation to considerably increase transparency requirements, which means that we will know what we are exporting and to whom, or at least to which country.
The new rules will add cyber surveillance technologies like facial recognition to the dual-use list. MEPs successfully pushed for the rules to include human rights violations as a justification for refusing export licenses. Along with more traditional dual-use items like chemical precursors for making explosives or lasers, the updated legislation means the EU has some of the safest dual-use controls in the world.